Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by isolating the logarithmic expression and confirming its domain. The argument must be greater than 0. Once isolated, convert products and powers with log rules so you reduce complexity. For example, turn a b into separate terms and bring exponents in front as multipliers. Make sure to note the base. If unspecified, assume 10 or natural log when context demands. Once done, you'll have a simpler equation with sums and coefficients ready for algebraic manipulation. You now transform the simplified log equation into a form you can solve directly. Use combination rules to merge logs into a single term, and when convenient, rewrite the resulting log equation in exponential form so you can isolate the unknown. For example, log b x equals y implies by equals x. Once in exponential form, solve with standard algebra. Move constants, divide through, and take roots if necessary. Make sure to track domain restrictions throughout so you don't accept invalid solutions. You finish by verifying each candidate solution in the original equation. Substitute back and confirm the argument stays positive and the equality holds. If a solution is rejected, retrace your algebraic steps and confirm you applied log rules correctly and did not drop constants when exponentiating. Once done, if results remain confusing, switch all logs to a single base using the change of base formula to reveal hidden relationships. A key troubleshooting tip: extraneous roots often come from ignoring domain restrictions, so always check that first.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.